Hey, it's John from Economic Services, and right now I'm going to talk about steps of installing a composite deck with a composite frame. So our first step, you can see right there, we've got our footings excavated. So we go down a minimum 4 feet and remove all the soil off site. The next thing which we do is install a concrete footings with sonotube, which provides a form for our concrete. Next thing which we do is install a brackets. We use a special string line to make sure that all the brackets are aligned. And the next thing which we do is make sure that all of our brackets are perfectly leveled so that our frame of the deck is actually sitting on a fully leveled footings as well. Our next steps will be installing the actual composite frame and the composite deck boards. And we're back at a very unique project. As you can see right here, we have a product which looks like a composite deck. However, it's actually a composite frame. So most of the decks which we install will have anywhere from 25 to 50-year composite warranty. However, this deck will last way longer than that because the frame would also be composite. So this material here, it looks like a dimensional lumber, which is basically a standard pressure treated wood. However, it's actually built out of composite. So this specific product will literally last forever. When you're buying any composite deck, the actual composite material is very durable, but the actual lumber is still could be rotting faster depending on the certain circumstances and how close it is to the ground. In this specific case, this deck would literally last decades. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll show you the picture of the finished jobs very soon.